Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an order form here in Clickfunnels. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and open up a funnel. Now, once it loads, go ahead and add in, maybe at the very bottom, a page. Now go ahead and select order here in the left panel, okay? Once done, if you want to, you can go ahead and use these templates. Pretty cool templates right here from Clickfunnels. As you can see here, with these templates, it does have its own functions like a two-step pop-up, a below fold, two-step book page, or some of the good stuffs, okay? So we have three-step order forms as well. Now, maybe I'm just going to use a simple one. Two-step book page right here, select. Then I'm just going to leave it the name as is, description as is as well, and hit on create page. All right, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on three dots and add your product. Click on add a product. It could be a physical or a digital product. Say, for example, I'm just going to select this ebook or podcast. All right. And then under checkout settings, you can go ahead and select the product quantity type and the bump products quantity type. Okay. Now, if you're just happy with it, you can go ahead and hit on update. And once done, close this one. And here you have your order form. You can now go ahead and click on edit and to customize it further if you want to, like so. And that's basically how you add an order form here in Clickfunnels. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.